Open and gross lewdness in Nevada. First off, what is it? Well, it's not even actually defined, but the Nevada Supreme Court tells us that we should just look at its ordinary meaning. A sexual act done in a public or private place in an open way where others can see. Some specific examples. John and James have sex in a park bathroom. Open and gross lewdness. Or John is on the bus and he has a fetish for public masturbation. He masturbates in front of other passengers, right? That is open and gross lewdness. There's another definition, right? Any sexual encounter that is unconsensual, right? Some specific examples here. Stanley is a tourist. He's at a nightclub. He's got a couple of drinks. Maybe he has a little bit more than that even. And he's feeling a little bit tipsy. He sees what he believes to be a beautiful girl. He can't help himself, and he goes up to her and grabs her on the butt. Open and gross lewdness. How do you defend it? One way is attack the definition. For example, the sexual act done in the public or private place. Now, what if the example I gave you earlier of John and his boyfriend, they're having sex in the park bathroom, but not where people can see, but in a stall? Is that open and gross lewdness? That's a question of fact. Now, what about they got the wrong guy? The girl that got her butt grabbed, it wasn't Stanley, it was somebody else. What about if it's unintentional? That's another defense. For example, Stanley thought the girl's butt he was grabbing was actually his wife's butt. They look the same. He went up to her, he's a little bit drunk, he grabs his wife on the butt, turns out it's not his wife. What can happen if you get convicted of open and gross lewdness? Serious, right? First time, it's a gross misdemeanor, punishable by up to 364 days in jail. Now that doesn't sound that bad, but wait till you get down, wait till I keep talking. Second time, felony conviction and prison. Now under either the first one that I've brought up to you, the gross misdemeanor, or the subsequent conviction, the worst part about this type of crime, it is that it requires sex offender registration, also known as the kiss of death. The sentence has a lifelong ramification. What do? Defend it. We have a track record of success with this type of charge, and I want you to have success as well. I don't care if you did it. Grabbing someone's butt in a club shouldn't make you have to register as a sex offender.